Always an indication that there's something going wrong inside the tank. One of the parts in the tank is allowing water out of the tank when you're not using it. And the noise that you'll hear is the toilet attempting to fill the tank back up again. If you have a very slow leak, you may hear it come on every few hours. If you have a rapid leak, you may hear it come on every 20, 30 minutes. What you're hearing is the fill valve inside the toilet that brings in new water when you flush is trying to make up for that leak that's coming out of the tank going into the bowl.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.